reservation, reservation.
I have a reservation under the name Smith.
Can I make a reservation for next week?
Do you need my reservation number?
Amenities, amenities.
What amenities are included with the room?
Are the hotel's amenities available 24 hours?
Am interested in the spa and other amenities.
Luggage, luggage.
Can someone help me with my luggage?
I'd like to store my luggage until my room is ready.
My luggage is lost. Can you assist me?
Elevator, elevator.
Where is the elevator located?
Please take the elevator to the 5th floor.
The elevator is out of order. Is there an alternative?
Concierge, concierge.
Can the concierge arrange a tour for me?
The concierge recommended a great restaurant.
Please ask the concierge for directions to the museum.
Towels, towels.
Could I get some extra towels, please?
The towels in my room are missing.
Are there fresh towels available every day?
Housekeeping, housekeeping.
Can housekeeping clean my room later?
I need housekeeping to change the sheets.
Housekeeping forgot to replace the toiletries.
Air conditioning, air conditioning.
The air conditioning isn't working properly.
Can you adjust the air conditioning?
The room is too warm. Can you check the air conditioning?
Room service, room service.
I'd like to order dinner through room service.
Room service is taking a long time.
Is room service available 24 hours a day?
Maintenance, Maintenance.
The shower is broken. Can maintenance fix it?
I've reported the issue to maintenance.
When will maintenance be here to fix the problem?
Gym. Gym.
What are the gym's opening hours?
Is there a personal trainer available in the gym?
The gym is fully equipped with modern machines.
Spa. Spa. I'd like to book a massage at the spa.
Does the spa offer any special packages?
The spa was very relaxing. I highly recommend it.
Business center. Business center.
Can I print some documents in the business center?
The business center is open 24 hours.
I need to use a computer in the business center.
Swimming pool. Swimming pool.
Is the swimming pool heated?
What time does the swimming pool close?
Are there any rules for using the swimming pool?
Conference room. Conference room. Can I reserve the conference room for a meeting?
The conference room is equipped with a projector.
How many people can the conference room accommodate?
Bill. Bill.
Can I have the final bill, please?
I believe there is an error on my bill.
Could you explain the charges on this bill?
Receipt. Receipt.
Can I get a receipt for my stay?
Please send the receipt to my email.
I need a receipt for my company's reimbursement.
Taxi. Taxi.
Can you call a taxi for me?
How long will it take for the taxi to arrive?
I need a taxi to the airport.
Feedback. Feedback.
I'd like to leave some feedback about my stay.
Your feedback is very important to us.
The hotel staff were very helpful. I'll leave positive feedback.
Charges. Charges. What are the extra charges on my bill?
I need to clarify the charges for the minibar.
Are there any additional charges I should be aware of?